Hi, this is Jermaine Wan with Guarantee Rate. We talked about three most important elements for applying a mortgage loan. And the first is credit, the second is income, and today we're going to talk about the third one, which is asset. So asset means it's down payment. So let's say if you buy a house, you wanted to do FHA putting down 3.5%, or conventional putting down 5%, 10%, 20%. And these assets normally talk about a down payment. So down payment for primary home or second home, it can be your own savings from your checking or savings account, or it can be a gift from family members. That's only for primary or second home. And it could be stock or bonds, any of the assets that you have on the account, or could be 401k, if some people wanted to access 401k. Now, for investment properties, the money must be in your account for at least 2 months before you can use it. So the assets normally, we have to say source and season during the loan process. Source means where the assets down payment come from, and season means the assets normally have to be in your account for 2 months. So during the loan process, you cannot deposit cash unless this cash, you can explain is the tips and regularly from your work, but you have to show some evidence that you've been always receiving, cash tips, things like that. But generally speaking, you shouldn't deposit cash during the loan process because sometimes we have to deduct these assets. And also, the other thing is that during the loan process, it's not a good idea to transfer money from one account to the other account because every time you transfer money from one account, move around to other accounts, we would have to make you show the transaction details and where the money come from and from which account. Then you have to provide another bank statement. So it's important that you don't move the money around during the loan process, and it's advised you should deposit the money like 2 months before the loan process, okay? So that's the normal rule. And any questions, please give us a call, 702-876-8678. Thank you for watching.